Oh, he's gonna have a little. Let's go! 2014 to 2017, the first 4 years of F1's V6 era, Mercedes had the upper hand in engine power. Let's take a look at them. What is going on, guys? It is JJ here, back with a new video, and today we are going to take a look. I don't know why this video came up on my dashboard or like your For You page or whatever, but I thought it would be the perfect one to continue a new F1 video, taking a look at when the engine is weak, aka the current Aston, the Williams. I don't know who else I want to throw in that mix. Maybe the Alfa Romeo, but they like always get either one of Zhou or Bottas in the top 10 for qualifying, versus when the engine is godly, aka Max Verstappen this year, or Mercedes anytime from like 2014 to 2020. So we're gonna take a look at weak engines versus godly engines in F1. I don't know why people have never told me this on any of the videos. What is your favorite F1 car? Like, if you could rank F1 cars, what would you rank them as? Where do you rank them at? What do you see as being the best ones? What's maybe the worst ones? Let me know what you guys think about that down in the comments below. But let's get into the video. As well, guys, you can find the original video down in the description below. Is this Ferrari versus the Mercedes? Oh yeah, it's not passing it. Oh, he's gonna have a little. Let's go! 2014 to 2017, the first 4 years of F1's V6 era, Mercedes had the upper hand in engine power. Let's take a look at them. That car looks gorgeous. Quick turn in 2018-19 when suddenly Ferrari was running with the most powerful engine, and yet how many world titles did they get during that? I love that they can give the facts on it, but I need to see something. Engine power, quick turn, then the spark and more straight. Oh, they're gonna have the onboards? Let's see the spot power. So they're saying because he could not get an uphill advantage whatsoever going against that Mercedes. Dude. Hey yo! This is the thing about F1 onboards, is they visibly capture the speed of the things you're trying. Like, it's hard to fathom going 200 plus miles an hour or 300 kilometers an hour in a car with things like just passing by you that quick, and the onboards actually capture it, and it's so sick to see. Videos like these capture it perfectly. Like, those are all the fans going past. So he has to keep the slipstream. So Lewis Hamilton was just not going to be touched, essentially, is what they were saying in 2017. That's it. This image right here is so perfect. Like, look how much the steering wheel moves, and he's shifting and doing things and changing all these gears, and he's still unable to get around Hamilton in a straight line. So this is the 2018 version. Literally like a picture perfect, like start again the same way. Also, if the Ferrari was having a better engine, a better straight line speed, why wouldn't Vettel be winning in qualifying? It's my only question to that. It's my only question. Obviously, it means that the Mercedes has a better downforce and better into the turns, but still, it's a solid question.
down through Rouge,
Oh,
continues to
the
lead though, ahead of
Ferrari's
Sebastian
up the slip.
Vettel,
It's
Esteban
coming.
Ocon and Sergio Perez. But here comes Sebastian Vettel. Vettel is alongside
And he's just
ahead.
rounding like it's nothing. Holy hell. No DRS. But then, did you guys see where Hamilton was like swooping past in all those turns? Is this the 2019 version? This must be 2019. Ferrari versus Ferrari. What is it with this 3 years in a row Vettel chasing Hamilton at Spa? I know Vettel hated life. He must have hated life at this rate. I like that this is going a bit more into it. So Hamilton's still chasing Vettel in this, and it's going to show the gap, I'm guessing. This is like a Ferrari primed video. Like, no matter what Lewis Hamilton was doing, he was not making this overtake. Or he was making the overtake. Oh, for almost the entire Camel Straight to finish the overtake with DRS. That's insane. Also, this is like a humongous F1 nerd video. Whoever made this video is such a huge F1 nerd, and I love it. I absolutely love it, because they're going well in detail. But rather than actually say it, they're just kind of leaving it to text, which is very fair. Because all of us F1 nerds watching it still kind of fits. It's perfect. It's an analytical person's video. Made a secret deal with the FIA in regards to its controversial 2019 engine. In 2020, they suddenly had the weakest engine. Okay, I would not go that far. I feel like there's no way they made a secret deal. Well, I mean, they still didn't win the world title, though. That's what's terrifying about that. But like, that's what's so disheartening. So they're saying when the engine is weak versus when the engine is godly. So they're saying these Ferraris had godly engines and great machinery and fantastic engineering, and still lost the world title every single one of the years they brought this up to Mercedes and Lewis Hamilton. That kind of makes it seem more like Lewis Hamilton's a genius, but at that time I feel like people weren't caring about that. They just wanted to see Mercedes lose, which I don't blame them. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below on when the engine is weak versus when the engine is godly. Where are other instances where this shows? I think Braun 2009 might be the one that shows it the most, but that's just me. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.